Hey guys, so I wanted to go over how we built the rafters on this 12 by 12 shed we did. We had given it a 6 pitch and it was 2 by 6 rafters with a ridge board. In this video, I'm going to explain how we got the rafter length, how we cut them out, and then how we installed them. This shed measured 12 feet long, so 12 divided by 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14, so in total you're going to need 14 rafters. Okay, so first we need to get the measurement for the rafters. I recommend getting this construction calculator from Home Depot. It really helps us out, guys. So first you got to start off with 12 feet, which is the wideness of the shed. Divided by 2 equals 6 feet. Then we put feet run, and then we're giving it a 6-inch pitch. And then you put dag, and that gives you the rafter length. Now we have to take off 3/4 of an inch. The reason for that is because of the ridge board. It's 1.5 divided by 2 equals 3/4. So when you're taking out 3/4 from each rafter, that equals 1.5 together. Make sure to write down your measurements so you don't lose it. Now let's cut these. Now when you're going to be doing this, I do recommend making a planta. This helps to mark our 6 pitch angle so that we don't have to repeatedly take out our square to give it that angle. Now we're going to cut it. Some of you have been wanting a tool tour. I'll make a video about that soon to show all the tools that we use when building our sheds so you guys can know what you're going to need to build one. Okay, so remember the measurement we got on the calculator? That's the measurement we're going to measure now. Now that you made your mark, you're going to get your planta and you're going to mark the 6 pitch angle. If you don't have a planta, then you can use your square. On our planta, we had already gave you the cutout for the seat of where the rafter was going to sit on the wall. But let me teach you. So you're going to get your square, and from the bottom up, you're going to mark 2 inches. Then from there, you're going to square it with that other line, and that's what gives you the seat. And that's pretty much it, guys. You're going to cut both of those lines, and that gives you the back of the rafter, the seat. Now I'm going to show you how we install them. Once all the top plates are nailed, you're going to start on one side with your fan. You're each going to pick up one rafter and hold them together, and then you're going to nail them. And then you go to the other side and do the same thing. From there, you're going to pick up the ridge board. One person on one side, the other person on the other side. And once those 4 rafters are nailed, that's pretty much holding down the ridge board. So now you just fill it up with all the leftover rafters, and there you go. That's how you've made the roof. Make sure to mark on your wall every single 2 feet because that's where your rafters are going to be. And then also you make sure to mark every single 2 feet on your ridge board before you put it up. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.